We saw a few more homes come on the market and more go under contract over the past week than in prior weeks. Prices remain steady and days on the market are at 38 days before going under contract. The 21401 zip code had the most activity, followed by 21403, then 21409. It's Friday, April 2nd, 2021. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty with your Annapolis Real Estate Report, your weekly snapshot of what's happening at a local level here in Annapolis. Interest rates are rising and buyers in the market are eager to get in now before they rise further so that their affordability remains good. Let's look at the inventory shift over this past week. Annapolis has a total of 114 homes for sale with a median sales price of $639,950. This number is encouraging as it's increased from the past several weeks where we had lower inventory. The 5-year average inventory for March is usually about 448 units to a maximum of 493 units, so we are still seeing a remarkably inventory challenged situation. 30 homes were listed for sale since last Friday's report. 32 homes are coming soon, marking an increase from prior weeks. 19 homes went under contract since last week's report. 26 are temporarily off the market, reflecting fewer temp-offs than recently. 21 homes went to pending. 42 homes sold over this past week, with the highest sale a to-be-built in St. Margaret's for $1,311,930. For those looking to rent, available homes are in short supply and prices are up to an average of $2,500 per month. Right now, there are only 18 homes that are for lease priced between $1,495 and $6,000 per month. For a deeper look at the real estate industry trends and forecast, be sure to take a look at our March Market Overview Report. You'll find the link below. As always, give me a call at 443-837-5645 if you have any questions. Also, be sure to follow us on social media and subscribe to our podcasts. Thanks so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing. That's your Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, April 2nd, 2021. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty. Thanks for tuning in. Enjoy your Easter weekend, and I'll see you next Friday.